In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use grounded email with Gumloop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the right template, set up the agent, and craft prompts that produce clear, high-quality sales emails grounded in the information you provide. Start by heading to the Gumloop homepage. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. That's where you'll find the main navigation you need. Click on Templates by Gumloop to open the template library. From here, choose the sales category. This narrows the gallery to tools built specifically for outreach, prospecting, and follow-up. Scroll through the sales templates until you see the one called Search Grounded Email. This is the agent we want. It's designed to generate email drafts that are informed by the inputs you give it so your message stays accurate and relevant. Click into that template, then select Use this agent. When prompted to choose where to add it, pick Personal so the agent lives in your personal workspace and is easy to access later. After that, click Continue to confirm. Gumloop will spin up the agent for you in just a moment. With the agent ready, move to the prompt box. This is where the magic happens. Write a clear instruction that explains exactly what you want. A helpful structure is who the email is for, the goal of the message, the tone you prefer, and the key facts you want included. For example, you might specify that you're emailing a prospect in a particular industry. You want to introduce your offer, you prefer a concise and friendly tone, and you want to reference a few concrete benefits or data points. The more specific the guidance, the more grounded and useful the draft will be. When you're happy with the prompt, submit it and give the agent a moment to work. You'll see progress indicators while it composes your draft. Once the draft appears, read it through to confirm it reflects your facts, voice, and goal. If you want to push it further, make another prompt. You can ask for a shorter version, a different tone, a variant for a different buyer persona, or a follow-up message that builds on the same context. Iterating like this helps you arrive at a version that's ready to send without manual rewriting. And that's the whole flow. Open Gumloop, go to Templates, select Sales, choose Search Grounded Email, use the agent in your personal workspace, write a focus prompt, wait for the draft, and iterate with another prompt if needed. Follow these steps and you'll be producing grounded, on-message sales emails in minutes.